Hi everyone, and welcome to today's unboxing from EMK. We've got a fun one for today. It is one of our lovely comic style Minions coins, and you can see there it is Bob. He is a 1 ounce silver collectible coin and he's shaped like a minion. So let's have a look. First of all, we'll just rotate the box. It is a product produced by the coin company and it is a licensed universal product, which is very, very cool. Just a fun little box as well to start off with. Got our lovely pull tab there. We'll slide this one out. First things first, our certificate. There we can see it is Bob. And we've got our coin number. All the details that we just mentioned there that we saw on the outside of the box. And then inside we have the certificate of authenticity and of course all of our technical specifications there. So it is a $2 coin produced on the country of Niue and there's 1,000 pieces. Just a very attractive mintage there. Now speaking of attractive, oh look at him. It is Bob. Hi, Bob. Oh, so lovely. Now you will recognize Bob, of course, from the movie in 2010, I believe it was. Despicable Me, and of course, the most recent 2015 movie, The Minions. And this is fun, childlike Bob, of course, using the iconic Minions language. It's very fun. It's just fun little Bob there. Very playful and always finding something lovable in everything. So as I mentioned before, this is produced for the country of Niue. Therefore we have Queen Elizabeth II there. And we've got $2. That's very cool. Just rotating around again. I have to say the colour on here has been done very nicely. Just wonderful printing there to give us this bright resolution. Lovely sharp colours. And just a fun addition. So if you've been following this series, you will know that this is one of 3 Minion comic style coins that EMK carries. And yes, you're welcome to, of course, collect all of the 3 famous ones together. Very nice. Well, that's Bob for today. Hope you enjoyed that, and we'll see you next time. Bye.